The Nigerian Youth Congress has organized a one-day National Transportation, Environment and Public Safety Conference to sensitize youths, road users and the public to better safety measures to reduce crashes across the country. President of the Nigerian Youth Congress said the gathering was an indication of the organization's readiness to partner with government and private stakeholders for better road usage, sound public health and a conducive environment.
I'm most delighted to welcome you all to this very important one-day National Transportation, Environment and Public Safety Summit. It is also my pleasure to have you all present in this epoch-making event. This gathering is an indication of our readiness in joining hands with the government and the private stakeholders to provide workable solutions to the transport system in Nigeria, environmental challenges facing our people, and the safety of the citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which we know that our securities are doing laudable well. One may ask, why the summit? The answer is simply thus. We are here to review various challenges bedriving the transportation, environment and public safety system in Nigeria, in the light of current transport and safety advancement, and with a view to provide viable local solutions to the challenges faced by the sectors in Nigeria.
The Corps Commander, Federal Road Safety Commission, addressed issues on road use and safety.
Road safety, we have been informed by our guest speaker, is everybody's business. When he was talking, it's as if I had prepared that lecture for him, because that's something that I used to talk about, the 5 pillars of the decade of action. And we must not forget that when road crashes occur, who are the people that suffer most? Is the youth, whether you like it or not. Because they are the most mobile. They are the ones that move about more. If you see one 80-year-old man moving, traveling, you may see another 200 to 500 young persons moving at the same time. So when there's a crash, naturally, proportionately, the youth suffer more. And that is why it's important that the youth and the rest of us must put hands together to make sure that our roads in particular are safe. Road safety has a number of projects or programs that we are running, and which helps the youth to be absorbed. One of them is the NCPCCI, what we call the Nigeria National Community Post-Crash Care Initiative. This is a situation where you as an individual voluntarily, that where I am living, along my route, if there's an accident and there's any crash, I will come out to assist the victims. That is going on. So you can volunteer and you can fit in. We also have the special marshals. The special marshals are a group of people who are self-employed or well-employed somewhere, but they now use their resources to assist road safety to make sure that crashes are reduced to the barest minimum, and or where it happens that the fatality is reduced to the barest minimum. You can join that group also. And of course, if you feel that you are too young to be a special marshal, or you are too young to be an NCPCCI first responder, then of course we have also the Road Safety Club. The Road Safety Club is constitutes of students, even right to the primary schools. We catch them young. So you see your own children in this primary school, they will tell you, look, Daddy, we are in Road Safety Club, and they told us that when you are driving, you must not use your phone. When you're driving, you must put on your seat belts. If we join hands together as youths, as elders, as religious leaders, whatever we are, we will see that the roads will be safer for us and our loved ones.
Chairman of Domac Group International, who chaired the conference, lauded the Nigerian Youth Congress for the initiative.
We don't have much time, and I believe each and every one of you have great assignment for this nation. Nigeria is hoping on its youth. Nigeria as a nation is hoping on what? The youth of Nigeria. Africa is hoping on the youth of Nigeria. So the time for us to begin to talk to the youths and talk to ourselves is now to have a new direction. And I'm happy that NYC has come up with a great initiative to discuss policies, not politics. Idea to discuss content, to discuss the way we should be thinking, to discuss the way governance should be